Why Oracle APEX is important for your business. Oracle Application Express, APEX, is a low-code development platform that allows you to build and deploy web applications quickly and efficiently. Here are some reasons why Oracle APEX is considered necessary and beneficial. 1. Rapid application development. Oracle APEX provides a rapid development environment where you can create web applications with minimal coding. Its declarative approach allows developers to focus on application logic rather than low-level programming, resulting in faster development cycles and shorter time to market. 2. Productivity and efficiency. With its built-in components and pre-built templates, Oracle APEX simplifies the development process. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and features that enable developers to create feature-rich applications without needing to write complex code from scratch. This boosts productivity and allows developers to focus on delivering business value. 3. Integration with Oracle Database. Oracle APEX is tightly integrated with the Oracle Database, which is a robust and scalable database management system. This integration allows APEX applications to leverage the power and security of the Oracle Database, making it easier to build scalable and high-performance applications. 4. Scalability and security. APEX applications are built on the Oracle Database, which is known for its scalability and security features. This ensures that APEX applications can handle large amounts of data and user traffic while maintaining data integrity and security. 5. Accessibility and user experience. Oracle APEX applications are web-based, which means they can be accessed from any device with a web browser. The responsive design capabilities of APEX enable applications to automatically adjust their layout and user interface based on the device being used. This ensures a consistent and user-friendly experience across different devices. Overall, Oracle APEX is necessary for organizations that want to develop web applications quickly, leverage the power of the Oracle Database, and deliver scalable, secure, and user-friendly applications to their users.